Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. Like many of you, I suspect, over the last few months almost all of my work has had to be conducted online. I've been doing almost all of my teaching online. And one of the downsides of having to do so much work on the internet is that you become very reliant on internet connections, both your own and those of the people you're working with. In one of the classes I've been teaching recently, one of my students has been having ongoing connectivity problems, ongoing problems connecting to the internet. And she decided that part of the problem was the fact that she was still using a very old laptop. So the other day in class she announced quite excitedly that she's thinking of splashing out on a new desktop. It won't be cheap, but it'll be worth it. If you splash out or you splash out on something, you spend a lot of money for you on something that's not strictly necessary, but something that'll be nice to have. So you might decide to splash out on a brand new car, or splash out on a holiday, or maybe splash out and stay in a decent hotel. Maybe you just go away for a weekend break to a health spa or something like that. It may be expensive, but you know that you'll come back feeling much better. So you just decide to splash out and treat yourself. If you've enjoyed this video, please click like, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. And in the comment section below, we'd love to hear examples of times you decided to splash out or things that you're thinking of splashing out on.